practice, many of you tried this device and in order to demonstrate that you're transferring your energy appropriately, that you're getting your weight up on your heels. In the first part of the hinge, I wanted to talk a little bit more about the hinge and the transfer of energy. So many of you tried this device, and the first thing that happened was you went backwards and then you went forwards the same distance. So your overall distance traveled was 0. Okay? And that's because you're putting your weight on your butt and driving the canoe backwards, or putting energy driving backwards, and then you're shifting your weight forwards and going forwards. Okay? So take that weight off your butt and then put your weight, transfer your weight to your feet as you stroke. Now what I saw many of you do is, in driving the boat backwards, is you do this. So we want all the energy to go forward, not backward. So take the weight off your butt at the beginning. Try and shift to your feet. If you put your weight on your butt, this is what happens. So transfer that weight to your feet. Transfer to your feet. Transfer to your feet. Transfer to your feet.